storm.
Yeah.
So crazy that we're talking about a storm, a hurricane hitting Shreveport and not here.
Right.
You know?
Yeah,
so
that's true. And so early in the season to be talking about a major hurricane making it to Category 5 status, and then so many landfalls, Caribbean islands, Yucatan, into Texas, and like you said, making its way inland now into the Midwest, and actually still bringing a threat of some severe weather, even though it's not officially Tropical Storm Beryl anymore or a depression, but just the remnant system left behind is causing some weather concerns farther to the north. For us, it is just leaving a lot of moisture behind, and we do have a pretty active scene on radar. Wanted to get you a good look at this for south of the lake. We do have a big area of some pretty heavy rain from Metairie and Kenner on toward the northern fringes of New Orleans. Heavy rain, not seeing all that much lightning, although there are a few strikes, and we're kind of seeing this kind of expand out horizontally. So now extending into the I-10 area between New Orleans East and Slidell. So commuters may have to deal with some brief heavy rain back and forth across there. Right now, we're also looking at some scattered rain farther south along our coast. Thibodaux just got a shower, and also we have a few more out to the southwest. So we still have a chance for rain for sure as we get into the next few hours and even into tonight. Although I think in general, this should be decreasing. Also some rain into Hancock County in Mississippi. Our rain totals overall today, though, were not high. Look at these totals, up to about a ½ inch at the very most, even though a lot of us did get the rain. It was in the form of those small, more tropical type scattered showers. It'll move over, pass over really quickly, and then leave you alone and let you heat up. And we did make it close to 90 in a lot of spots for highs today, or right around 90. Look at that dew point, though, 80 degrees, a 80-degree dew point. That's some really muggy air out there. So temperatures north and south all close to 90, unless you just got a recent downpour. Our feels like temperatures into the triple digits. And we did have a little bit of wind today, but that will be calming down and not as breezy in the next few days. Here's our system again. This is the leftover low from Beryl, and it has created a situation where there's sort of a weak surface boundary here. Not really a cold front bringing cold air, but just an area where we're seeing the showers and storms able to form. Big tornado watch area here and some active warnings as well in the Midwest due to that system. As far as flooding rain goes, we are still officially under a watch for that flooding rain, or not a watch, just an enhanced category of risk. And then tomorrow, same thing just about along and south of around Lake Pontchartrain. We're going to be looking for at least a low end risk for maybe a bit of street flooding here and there. And then that risk will drop off, it looks like, by Thursday. Just to show you our model, this is 6 p.m. tonight. It's doing a good job of showing, in general, most of the rain decreasing, but still a chance, as I said, for a couple of overnight showers. Now, this model wants to bring in some coastal rain by early tomorrow and then wants to spread it north. So I have about a 60% rain chance for tomorrow. But I wanted to point out some models have a lot less rain than this. This one's going pretty heavy on it. This is by noon. You can see a good bit of shower and storm action. 4 p.m., maybe even some showers north of the lake. And 7 p.m., it has most of that calming down. Hour by hour tonight, we're dropping through the 80s, keeping a decent chance of rain, 30–40% overnight, with that muggy forecast and our lows right around 80 once again. Tomorrow, we should make it close to 90, scattered rain expected. And that'll be the case into Thursday. And actually toward the weekend, the rain chance comes down a little bit, but in general, we'll still have a chance for some scattered downpours. Our temperatures will likely go back up. How much? We're talking about maybe 1 to 2 inches, but keep in mind with so much moisture in the atmosphere, a quick downpour could cause some brief street flooding. And we're not really looking for severe weather, but keep in mind we could have some heavy rain with these downpours in the next couple of days. No development expected out farther in the tropics right now. We've had Beryl and we've been tracking it for over a week. And now finally, it is no longer officially a tropical system. Thankfully, there are no other areas that look likely to develop right now as things have quieted down for the moment in the Atlantic Basin. 7-day forecast shows those temperatures edging back up, lower to middle 90s expected the next couple of days, and then middle 90s are back on the table for the weekend. Still a chance, as I said, for a few spotty showers and storms, and that will take us into the early part of next week with a similar forecast.
The Pelicans